Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mama Lou's Kitchen. I'm your host Angie Lou, and today we're going to be making mini kimbap for your favorite mini humans. This recipe is so easy and fun to make with very few ingredients involved. Here's what you're gonna need. 2 cups of cooked short grain rice, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of seasoned rice vinegar, 2 packs of roasted seaweed snacks seasoned with salt. For the fresh ingredients, you'll need half an avocado, 1 small carrot, and 1 Persian cucumber. Now that you've seen the ingredients involved, I just want to walk you through how to prep the vegetables, and the most important steps are rolling and cutting the mini kimbap. These mini kimbaps are so tiny, so it kind of helps that I have tiny hands, but you can do your best. Add your seasoned rice vinegar, salt, and sesame oil to your rice. If you want more of a sushi rice flavor instead, you can leave out the sesame oil. Using a rice paddle, mix thoroughly and set aside. Your rice should cool down a bit while you are prepping the vegetables. Peel your cucumber, leaving 1/2 inch strips on every other stroke. Then cut off the ends. Next, slice it down the middle and scoop out the seeds. You'll want to pat the cucumber halves to remove excess moisture. Last, cut your cucumber into matchstick-sized pieces. After peeling your carrot, remove the ends and slice it on a diagonal into 1/4 inch pieces. Then cut them into matchstick-sized pieces. For your avocado, slice it into 1/4 inch pieces, then scoop it out. After it has been scooped, you'll want to cut the pieces into smaller slices similar in size to your carrot and cucumber. Next, place your seaweed snacks on a flat surface like a large cutting board. Scoop up about a tablespoon of rice and flatten it with your rice paddle. Be careful not to add too much rice. Then, add your cucumber, add your carrot, and add your avocado slices one by one on top of the rice. Again, be careful not to overstuff them. Slowly roll each mini kimbap. Some kids like to eat these whole. If you run into an overstuffed kimbap that pops, just eat it. Last, carefully cut your mini kimbap into 3 pieces each to make this adorable and healthy snack. Alright everyone, our mini kimbaps are now ready. Aren't they the cutest things you've ever seen? I've plated them here in rows, or you can also make a circle and put the soy sauce in the middle, whatever you want to do to make it fun for the kids. It's so hard not to gobble these up yourself. Here you go. Thank you so much for watching. Pom Pom and I are so excited to share many more recipes with you. And if you ever have any questions, comments, or special requests, please feel free to reach out. Bye-bye now.